Hi everyone, let's go ahead and get started with the Streamlit media file example. So in this lesson, I'll be showing you how you can upload the file, how you can work with the audio, video and image files, and how you can upload multiple files together. And thereafter, I'll be showing you how you can integrate a download button in your application. Do remember, once you learn all these features individually, like I had shown you in my Streamlit tutorial GitHub repository, so once you learn all these individual components, thereafter, if you start designing an Streamlit application, you would be able to use all these components efficiently. Otherwise, if you are not aware with these individual components, it would be really very difficult for you to design an impressive Streamlit application. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this. So to get started with this, I need to first start my Streamlit file. So I write here Streamlit run, and then I write here 06 underscore, then press the tab. So this file will automatically get completed here, and then I just run it. So it is going to run Streamlit run and then this file. But there is a problem with this file, so I'm just going to stop this. So what happened here, when we start reading these upload files, so there is a problem with the current Streamlit version which I'm using. So to solve that problem, I need to use this particular command here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to stop it again, and then I'm going to put this command here. All right, just for your simplicity, I'm just going to copy this whole thing from here, and then I'm just going to paste it here just for your reference. So I'm using here Streamlit run and then my file and then server. So I just run it here. So once I run it, it's going to open here a new application. So you can refresh it here. So you see happen here. So here we have our reference application. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can upload the image, and thereafter how you can show that image here. Okay, so let's start with that. I'm just gonna first of all, the title is already set here. So I'm just gonna read the image from the file uploader. So I write here image is equal to st.file uploader, and in that I write here upload an image, and thereafter I can click on always run. You can see here that an browse file, and the section is coming here. You can click on this browse file. Now you see that all kind of files are being shown to you. All right, just to avoid this, you can put here the type of file which you allow to be to be picked up here. So I write here JPG, and then I write here JPEG, and thereafter I also write here PNG. So I want my application to read only these three type of file, and it will ignore all other kind of files. Now if I click on this browse files, now I don't see other than only JPG files here. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this house, and then I'm just gonna browse it. Now you can see that this file read has happened here, and the size of file is 0.8, which is 800 KB. All right, let's go ahead and see if image is not none. Then you can simply use st.image to show your image. So I just simply write here image is equal to the image. Now you should be able to see that your image should be displayed here. So I just need to select this house again, since it has ran again. So you can see that your image is loaded here. All right, so whatever image file you give, that image will get loaded there. Thereafter you can also control the width of this image. I can give like 100 only, so it's going to place this image into a very small size. I can put it here 300, then it will make it a little bit more larger. I can put it here 500, so it will make it even more larger. So this is how you can read it from the local file. Let's say if you want to read it from the online, then how would you do that? It's very simple. You can simply do st.image, and thereafter inside this, at the place of this image, instead of giving this object, you can give a link here. So any image link you can provide here. So I'm going to just search some image here. Let's say I search here KGP Talkie. I'm just gonna copy this logo, image address. So copy image address from here, and then I'm gonna just paste that image address here. Now if you check it here, you should be able to see that this KGP Talkie logo is printed there. I can control the width of this just by giving this width parameter 100. I can see that now this will be even smaller here. Alright, so that is how you can read this image. Let's go ahead and see how you can read the audio. So to read the audio, the process is same. You can browse the file and then you can read the audio file. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to show you how you can read the audio by giving the path to that audio. Okay, so simply you can do here audio is equal to, even you can do the file path. So file path is here data. So inside this data I have sample.mp3. So I write here sample.mp3, and thereafter I write here st.audio, and in that I pass this audio here, and thereafter I pass format this just to make sure that it parse it correctly. So I say that it is audio mp3. So this is the format of this audio file. Now you can see that here is audio file. Alright, so this volume is too high. So that's how you can load the audio. Even you can use the browse file to load the audio. It's again the same process. You can do here audio is equal to st.file uploader, and thereafter you can say that here upload an audio file, and thereafter let me just hide this one. So thereafter you can define there the type which you want to use to load your audio file. So I say that mp3, and thereafter I say that wave file. So these are only browsable files, so you can browse only these files. So I say if audio is not none, or you can just simply write that if audio. So if audio is not none, then in that case you can simply write that st.audio, and then you can put this audio here. So I'm just gonna browse this to my current repository. Inside this download and inside this data I have sample.mp3. Now you can see that your audio is loaded here correctly. If you just want to make sure that it works correctly every time, you can just put this format here. Okay, so that's how you can load the audio. The same process is to load the video. I'm just gonna skip this browse part. I'm just gonna use here a direct online link which you can use to load the video. So you can simply do here st.video, and then you can provide a link. So I'm just gonna provide some YouTube video link. You can just open my YouTube channel from there, and then I'm just gonna open this one, and then I'm just gonna copy this whole thing from here, and thereafter I'm just going to come here. Thereafter if you come here, you should be able to see that this YouTube video link is given here. So this is how you can build a good application, a Streamlit dashboard application. You can make a complete functioning Streamlit application. This is really very good. It's very fast. You don't need to learn any kind of backend language like JavaScript, etc. By using just a Python and the Streamlit, you would be able to design a very good application. Let's go ahead and see how you can use the multiple files together. So to upload the multiple files together, you can simply use here uploaded files is equal to st.upload file uploader. Simply you can use this file uploader, and then you can say that here choose files. Alright, so overall process is same. only change here that you will be saying that here accept multiple file is true. So once you say that one, then if you come here and you choose multiple files together, let's say these files together, you can load all these 3 files together. Otherwise, if you try to load these multiple files together here, then you won't be able to load those multiple files here. Okay, so there 3 multiple files are already uploaded, and then these files are printed. Actually, if you do here for, you can say that for f in uploaded file, and then you can use st.write f, then you would be able to see the detail of these files here. So all the details for all these files are shown here. You can use these files as I had shown you here previously. If you are selecting any CSV files, audio file, videos file, image file, or whatever file, then you can do all your process here. So you do your process here. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and see if you want to provide a download link to your user, then how you can do that. So to download link, you need to simply provide the download button. So for that, you can say that st.download button. If you see the detail, so first it takes here labels, thereafter the data. So here you need to provide the data, thereafter you need to provide the file name. So the file name which will be used to download the data. So I first provide a label where I say that download here. Okay, so you can see that download button after this data will come here. So currently we don't have any data object, so for time being I'm going to provide this image as the data object. So I provide here this image as the data object. Thereafter I provide here file name. So for that file name I provide here example.png. Okay, so seems like this image is byte format, it won't be able to download it. So I'm just gonna put it here some the text file. So I say that here is the text file. This is a text file, and then I provide this text file as the data to get it downloaded. Now you can see the download here is there, and then you just simply click it here. You will be seeing that your download is actually, I'm sorry, that should be example.txt actually. Okay, so if you click on here download, now you see the example.txt is downloaded, and now it opens that this is text file, whatever I had written there. So that part you can see here. All right. So in this lesson, I had shown you how you can use the media file examples, how you can process your image, video, audio, and then how you can provide a download button to your user. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.